and salutations. So, back on the 98 Jeep. I was wrong about my description of this vehicle previously. It's not a Cherokee Sport, it's a Cherokee Classic. Difference being that the Classic's got all the bells and whistles, and apparently the Sports don't. Who knew? This particular vehicle has, it's got a lot of miles on it, and it's starting to show its age. It's getting a little long in the tooth, and there's some small issues that need to be addressed. You saw me address the issue with the throttle position sensor. I have corrected said issue, and now I'm working on some of the other issues. And one of those was that the tilt steering column wouldn't tilt. The lever moves, but the column doesn't tilt. So before I started ripping apart the dash and investigating, I went online to see if anybody else had that problem, and apparently it's a well-known and common issue with tilt steering columns on the Cherokee Sport. And to describe the issue, there's a cable that runs from the lever to the lock mechanism. That's what it looks like, right? It's a little cable. This one has a little piece of rubber on it to protect the cable from chafing. And that's what connects your tilt steering lever to the actual lock mechanism that's under the dash. So this particular product is made by Dorman Solutions, part number 905525. I got this off Amazon for about $10. And let me show you how I'm going to fix this, and then I'll talk about the other issue that I was having. Right here is where that cable engages. It goes up through here and then connects to the lever right here. Alright, so there it is, in place. Pull this down. And now get this up in here. This little plastic piece on here is kind of a PETA, It makes installing this cable kind of a pain, because you can't bend the cable as effectively with it on as if it wasn't out. Okay. There we go. All right. Fixed. The other issue. When I bought this truck, I noticed the door locks didn't work. And intermittently, this switch and this switch don't function. And then after a few minutes, they start to function again. So, to diagnose the door lock issue, I went down there in the fuse panel under the kick panel over there and found that the fuse feeding power to the door locks was missing. Oh, easy fix, just replace the fuse, right? So I dug around in my fuse hoard and I found a 25 amp fuse, and I plugged it in, and then I got distracted and went closed the doors and went to work on something else, and came back to get my keys and discovered that the doors were locked, and I did not lock them. Fortunately, that rear door, the lock mechanism is sticky enough to where the solenoid couldn't overcome the resistance, and it didn't lock, thank goodness. And I was able to get in and get my keys. And I unlocked the doors again, I walked away, and I came back a little bit later, and I walked around the back of the Jeep, and I heard a little lock solenoid down here going click, 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 click. I went and unplugged the fuse and understood why the fuse was missing. Pretty good rule of thumb for fixing things is to fix the simple stuff first. So I went on Amazon and I found the Switch Doctor replacement switch panel for $25. I want to install this and see if that doesn't fix the problem. If that doesn't fix my door lock issue, then we're going to have to start getting into the individual doors and try to find the bad solenoid or a legitimate reason why the doors are going kittywampus. Set you up on a time lapse, I guess. This screw, and this screw. Take the door panel off. Your door clips may not be broken like every single one of these, with the exception of this one. If they are, get new ones. Get the ones for the Chrysler, not like these. If you use these, they'll fit in there, but if you use these, if you ever have to take them back out, you'll end up destroying the door panel. So get the right ones. But take these 3 screws out. This panel will come right out, and then you can put the new one in. Yeah, nasty. Crackers. We'll see. Well, it looks like we solved our window issue, but still no door lock. I'm gonna leave that fuse plugged in and see what happens in a little while. 20 years of crud, just it was nasty. But be that as it may, there was no evidence of a short or anything like that, and I couldn't get behind the circuit board because it's glued to the back of the switch box, so I didn't want to waste any more time dealing with it. But I do have, where's my keys? I do have full use of my windows now. Let me see. Mirror switch works. No door locks. Oh! Did you hear that? The door is just locked. What the hell? All by themselves. Check this out. That's unlocked, and it's not unlocking. Huh. That's a real head scratcher, guys. Maybe a little more research on the interwebs to find out why my door locks ain't working. If you got any pointers, any ideas where I can look, go ahead and hammer away at the keys in the comment section if you're so inclined. Help a brother out, would you? If this video was informative, I don't know how informative it could have been, or entertaining. Hopefully it was entertaining. Then click the like button. If I did not succeed in either of those endeavors, thumbs down, I suppose. Either way, it works. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And then right next to the subscribe button is a little picture of a bell. Go ahead and click on that bell, and you'll receive notices anytime I upload a new video. Oh, some of you seem to like Martin Built's XJ build. If you'd like me to do a further in-depth video of his XJ and all the modifications that he did to his Jeep, go ahead and comment in the comment section. Maybe I can make that happen. I'm sure I will be able to make that happen. But until next time, fellas, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. And I gotta take this door panel back off to find out why my door won't unlock. That's no bueno. Till next time, guys. Bye.